Should first-time NYC visitors pre-book attractions? Imagine walking into a busy museum or landmark and facing long lines that eat up your precious sightseeing time. For first-time visitors to New York City, this is a common concern. With so many famous sites like the Empire State Building, Statue of Liberty, and the Metropolitan Museum of Art, it's smart to think about pre-booking your tickets. Many popular attractions now requiring timed entry tickets to control crowds and make visits more comfortable. If you don't pre-book, you might find yourself waiting in long lines, especially during peak seasons like summer or holidays. Sometimes, the best time slots sell out days ahead, which means you could miss your chance to visit at your preferred time. Pre-booking can also make your day run smoother. Instead of wasting time in ticket lines, you can head straight to security or the entrance. This is especially helpful if your schedule is tight or you want to see several places in one day. For example, if you plan to visit the Empire State Building or the 9/11 Memorial and Museum, booking tickets online in advance guarantees you a spot and saves time. Many attractions offer online tickets that are valid for specific times, so you can plan your visit around your other activities. Cost is another factor. Some attractions offer discounts or special deals if you buy tickets early or purchase a multi-attraction pass. The New York City Pass or the New York Pass can save you money if you plan to visit several paid sites. These passes often include skip-the-line privileges, which means you won't waste time waiting. But it's important to compare the total cost of these passes with individual tickets, as not all sites are included, and some might not be worth it if you only want to visit a few places. Flexibility is a trade-off. Pre-booking locks you into specific dates and times, which can limit spontaneity. If your plans are firm and you know exactly what you want to see, pre-booking makes sense. But if you prefer to keep your schedule open, some attractions now offer same-day online tickets, though availability might be limited during busy times. For first-time visitors, the convenience of pre-booking usually outweighs the loss of spontaneity, especially at popular sites with long lines. When planning your trip, start by listing your must-see attractions. Check their official websites to see if they requiring or recommend advance booking. For iconic places like the Empire State Building, Statue of Liberty, or major museums, booking ahead is strongly advised. If you plan to visit several paid attractions, consider a multi-attraction pass. These passes can help you organize your itinerary and often include extras like hop-on hop-off bus tours or river cruises, which are great for first-timers. Some attractions do not need pre-booking. Parks like Central Park or free museums are open to everyone and don't requiring tickets unless there's a special exhibit or event. For dining, especially at popular restaurants near major sites, making reservations in advance can help you avoid long waits and fit meals into your sightseeing schedule. In most cases, pre-booking is the best choice for first-time visitors to New York City. It saves time, reduces stress, and can even save money. Using passes can make planning easier and give you more value. While it limits some spontaneity, the benefits of securing your spots at popular sites usually make it worth it. Always check each attraction's policies and consider your own travel style when deciding whether to pre-book or not.